Hey there people, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is Sun, the color safe bleach. Yeah. I know a lot of people that use the powdered bleach. This is a powder. I am not a big fan of powdered bleach, and I mean, it will work if you do it right, but it, to me, makes it so you have to make an extra effort to do your laundry. What you have to do is you have to make sure when you're first starting your load, you have to fill your washing machine up with water first before adding your clothes or anything like that. Just fill it up with just the water. Add your detergent and then add your bleach to it, and you have to make sure that it dissolves. Now, I've had a lot of instances when I use nothing but this bleach, and well, I can't say it happened a lot because I kind of learned my lesson doing it the wrong way. Just putting the clothes in there just like normal, and adding your soap and adding your bleach and just, putting it on there and then turning the machine on. I mean, and having it do its thing. You will end up with soap and bleach on your clothes in the end of the run. What it is this powder, it has to dissolve and become a liquid in the water first, and then you put your clothes in. A lot of times I would put this into the water in the washing machine. Use like a stick or something to move it around in there, and help it dissolve better and faster, before putting my clothes in. See, so because of this reason, I mean, I think that's kind of a hassle to have to do that. I mean, you could do it. I mean, and when you do it right, this bleach, well, I mean, it gets your clothes very clean. I mean, you can, it cleans all the dirts out of your white clothes very nicely, even down grimy dirts, It works very well. It's good, but I just think, in my opinion, it's a hassle using powdered bleach. I like this to use the machine where, you just throw your clothes into the washing machine and you have that little drawer that pulls out, and you can pour your liquid bleach into one section and your detergent into another, and close it, hit the button, and to be done. It's just easier to me. So, and just more convenient. I don't want to have to wait for anything. But when you're doing this right, and if you don't mind the extra step, you can use this and it will clean your clothes. It will. It advertises it is color safe. I haven't had any instances where anything that was, say, a light color that I wanted to have some, it was like light enough, like a yellow, like a light pale yellow that, I wanted to, clean with some bleach. I never had an instance where it like spotted it with white spots or anything. It just cleaned it very well. Yeah, I mean, like I said, if you don't mind the extra step, it will work well. Now, what you do is, if you're going to use on a normal load of clothes, just a normal regular load of clothes, you would just use a half a cup of the bleach. But if you're using if you're going to do like a large load, extra, more than normal, very large load, you're going to use 3/4 of a cup, you know, so almost the whole cup, you know. So, yeah. You will find that it will work very well, and this one has a slight, not really strong, but slight citrusy scent to it. I mean, I really like citrus, the smell of citrus, you know. Yeah, this will add that to your clothes and make it smell kind of nice. Yeah, not overwhelming, but just a little hint of it. All right, well, we've been talking about the Sun Color Safe Bleach. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.